Let's learn our words, come along, sing with me this happy song. Lots of I words fun to say, let's explore them all today. Ice cream cold and super sweet, melts so fast in summer heat. Igloo made of ice so round, keeps us warm when snow's around. Island sitting in the sea, with tall palm trees and one big tree. Iron is hot and smooths your shirt, be careful now, it can hurt. Ice is shiny, cold and clear, slippery fun when it is near. Inspector wears a coat and hat, solves the case in seconds flat. India is where I stay, full of colors every day. Internet helps us learn and play, we use it almost every day. Insect buzzing near a rose, tiny wings and tiny nose. Ink goes splash on paper white, helps us draw and helps us write. We had fun with words that start with I, from ice to ink and bugs that fly. Let's sing again, don't say goodbye, more letters coming by and by.